There are two methods that can be used to set up a group ride on a 7S equipped sled: vehicle-to-vehicle and a cell-based connection. Note that these connections can work together, but a cell-based connection is required for any riders using the mobile app. To connect to a group ride via the vehicle-to-vehicle connection, follow these steps. Begin by pressing the Polaris button and navigate to your map. Then, ensure the display has a GPS lock on the snowmobile, which will be indicated by a blue arrow marker on the map. A GPS lock is needed before you are able to set up or join a group ride. Next, tap the menu at the bottom of the display and select the Group Ride button. Then, press the Join button to connect to your team's group ride if one has been created. Members of your group may use either the V2V antenna or cell-based connection to join a group ride. Note that the vehicle-to-vehicle connections will not allow others to join via the Ride Command app. This requires a cell-based connection. To connect to a group ride via cell-based connection, follow these steps. Begin by pressing the Polaris button to bring up the menu and select Map. Then, ensure the display has a GPS lock on the snowmobile, which will be indicated by a blue arrow marker on the map. A GPS lock is needed before you are able to set up or join a group ride. Next, tap the menu at the bottom of the display and select the Group Ride button. Continue by tapping the eye icon beside the title, and then select the Set Up Mobile Phone Group Ride button. Next, enable Bluetooth tethering in your phone's settings. iOS devices use Personal Hotspot. Tap Instructions for more information of how to enable tethering for your iPhone or Android phone. Next, if not previously paired, connect your phone to the Ride Command display by pressing the Bluetooth button. Then, select the Bluetooth device menu and tap on the Add Device button to bring up the pairing prompt. Next, turn on your phone's Bluetooth setting and ensure the device is in pairing mode. Then, select the device you wish to pair from the touchscreen display. Continue by ensuring the numbers that appear on your phone match the numbers on the snowmobile's display, and accept the prompt on your phone. Before proceeding, verify your Bluetooth tethering is active by ensuring the icon is present on the top of the screen. iOS devices will have a blue hotspot icon on the top of the screen. Next, navigate to the Group Ride menu and press the Login button to log into your Ride Command account. If you do not have a Ride Command account, sign up at ridecommand.polaris.com. Once logged in, you can sync your vehicle rides and waypoints with your Ride Command account if desired. Next, press the X button in the corner to close the menu. Then, ensure the display has a GPS lock on the snowmobile. Then, tap the menu at the bottom of the display and select the Group Ride button. Continue by selecting your group ride if one has been created. To join a group from the Ride Command app, follow these steps. Begin by opening the Ride Command app and logging in. Then, select the Group Ride icon at the bottom of the screen. And lastly, find the group you wish to join, and select the Join button next to the group's name to connect. To create a group ride on your 7S display, follow these steps. Begin by pressing the Polaris button to bring up the menu, and navigate to your map. Then, ensure the display has a GPS lock on the snowmobile. Then, tap the button at the bottom of the display, and select the Group Ride button. Continue by tapping the New Group button. Next, give the group a name. A passcode can be enabled to prevent others from joining freely. If the private toggle is enabled, you will be prompted to enter a 4-digit passcode. After creating a group, the panel closes and shows the new group on the map. After other riders have joined, the Zoom to Group button on the side of the screen can be selected, and will enable the map to zoom in and out automatically to keep all riders in view. Tap this button again to return to the manual zoom mode. This video will demonstrate the features available to riders when using Group Ride on their 7S equipped snowmobile. On the map, other riders in the group will appear as dots. The Group Ride panel on the right-hand side will display an abbreviated group name and members, as well as the unique color they have selected. This menu can also be expanded by tapping the upper icon next to the group name to show the full name of the group and all group members in addition to their name, icon color, distance, and bearing to that rider. Tapping the arrow next to the rider icon will show the rider relative to your location. If a rider is moving, the dot includes a heading arrow pointing in the direction they are traveling as well as the path they have traveled. Clicking the Edit button next to your name in the group panel will allow you to change your name, phone number, and color marker on the map. If Center on Me is enabled, the display reverts to the centered state after 10 seconds. To add a waypoint to the ride, tap the Map menu at the bottom of the screen and select Add Waypoint. Then, select the Edit button on your waypoint to edit the name and coordinates as needed. You can also select existing waypoints in the Group Ride menu by pressing the Rides and Waypoint button, and then selecting the desired point created by anyone in the group. Tapping on a Point of Interest icon will provide more information about the location as well as the direction needed to navigate to it. You can also select Current Ride from the menu to see the details of your ride, including ride time, moving time, stopped time, distance, and elevation change. Finally, the I button in the upper corner will hide or reveal any rides or breadcrumbs on the map. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.